American muscle and hypercars have been making plenty of noise with 1,000 horsepower, straight-line acceleration numbers. But true supercar enthusiasts know that speed is about far more than just quarter-mile times. When you step outside of Detroit, you enter a realm of engineering where active Formula One aerodynamics, Scream-Attenhausen RPM engines, and uncompromised carbon fiber craftsmanship rule the tarmac. Today we are looking at 5 exotic, non-American hypercars and supercars that completely outclass, outperform, and embarrass everything built in North America. Let's get straight into it. Number 5, Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Starting our list at number 5 is a German weapon built with one singular purpose: total track obliteration. While American sports cars rely on massive superchargers and sheer brute force, Porsche engineered a masterpiece of precision aerodynamics and lightweight dynamics. At its core sits a 4.0-liter, naturally aspirated flat-six engine, screaming all the way past a 9,000 RPM redline to generate 518 horsepower. Mated exclusively to a lightning-fast 7-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission, it launches from 0 to 60 in just 3.0 seconds. But the real magic lies in its motorsport active aerodynamics, featuring a massive rear wing equipped with a drag reduction system, DRS, straight out of Formula One. The active aero produces over 1,800 pounds of downforce at speed, keeping the car glued to the tarmac around corners at speeds that physically defy logic. Combined with steering wheel-mounted rotary controls that let the driver adjust differential lock, traction control, and damper rebound individually on the fly, it sets lap times around technical tracks that leave far more powerful American cars in the dust. Does pure track engineering beat raw drag strip horsepower every single time? Drop your thoughts below. Number 4, Pagani Utopia Roadster. Next up at number 4, we step into a category where automotive engineering transforms into pure, multi-million-dollar rolling art: the Pagani Utopia Roadster. American supercars might deliver impressive performance figures, but they lack the breathtaking bespoke craftsmanship that defines this Italian masterpiece. Underneath the sculpted carbon titanium body, monocoque sits a bespoke 6.0 litre, twin-turbocharged V12 engine developed exclusively for Pagani by Mercedes-AMG. It unleashes 864 horsepower and 801 pound-feet of torque straight to the rear wheels without relying on heavy hybrid batteries or electric motors. Drivers can even opt for a pure, gated 7-speed manual gearbox with exposed linkage mechanisms. Step inside, and the cabin rejects plastic digital screens entirely in favor of milled aluminum switchgear, exposed mechanical instrument dials, and finest-grade Italian leathers. Every single nut, bolt, and carbon fiber weave is handcrafted to perfection. Priced well over $3.5 million, it offers an emotional, visceral connection that no mass-produced American car can ever hope to match. Is this the ultimate mechanical dream car? Let me know in the comments. Number 3, Lamborghini Revuelto. Climbing into the top 3, we look at the car that redefined Italian supercar royalty, the Lamborghini Revuelto. While American brands are either replacing V8s with quiet electric motors or adding heavy turbos, Lamborghini found a way to save the soul of the roaring V12. The Revuelto pairs a brand new, mid-mounted 6.5-liter, naturally aspirated V12 engine with 3 high-performance electric motors and an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. On its own, the V12 screams all the way to 9,500 RPM, but combined with the electric assist, this hybrid bull unleashes a massive 1,015 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a neck-snapping 2.5 seconds and flies past a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Thanks to torque vectoring across the front electric axle, it corners with surgical accuracy while retaining the violent, intoxicating soundtrack of 12 naturally aspirated cylinders. Inside, the jet fighter-inspired cockpit gives both driver and passenger dedicated telemetry displays to monitor live performance stats. Starting around $600,000, it proves that hybridization doesn't have to ruin supercar passion. Would you take this high-revving V12 hybrid over an American hypercar? Comment your take. Number 2, Ferrari F80. Narrowly missing out on the top spot at number 2 is Maranello's latest flagship hypercar, the Ferrari F80. Following in the legendary footsteps of the GTO, F40, Enzo, and LaFerrari, the F80 represents the absolute bleeding edge of modern motorsport technology adapted for the road. At the heart of the F80 sits an ultra-compact 3.0-liter, twin-turbocharged 120-degree V6, paired with 3 electric motors derived directly from Ferrari's Le Mans-winning 490p endurance racer and Formula One program. The internal combustion engine alone puts out 900 horsepower, but combined with the hybrid powertrain, total output reaches an astonishing 1,200 horsepower. It launches from 0 to 60 in a mind-bending 2.0 seconds flat on its way to a top speed of 217 miles per hour. It utilizes an active suspension system powered by individual electric motors at each wheel to keep the carbon fiber chassis perfectly level under intense cornering forces. With active aerodynamics generating over 2,200 pounds of downforce, it sets lap times that leave traditional supercars completely helpless. Limited to just 599 units worldwide with a price tag around $3.9 million, it stands as an untouchable monument to Italian racing dominance. Number 1. McLaren W1. Finally, at number 1, we reach the undisputed new king of hypercar engineering, the McLaren W1. As the official successor to the iconic F1 and P1, the W1 was built with one singular mandate to set the definitive global benchmark for road-legal supercar performance. Underneath its lightweight aerocell carbon fiber monocoque sits an all-new 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine paired with an F1-derived electric module. The total system output is a terrifying 1,258 horsepower and 988 pound-feet of torque, all sent strictly to the rear wheels. Weighing just over 3,000 pounds, it achieves an incredible power-to-weight ratio that allows it to launch from 0 to 124 miles per hour in a jaw-dropping 5.8 seconds. The real revolution is its active ground effect aerodynamics. When switched into race mode, the rear active long-tail wing extends backward by 300 millimeters to transform the diffuser, generating a mind-blowing 2,205 pounds of usable downforce in high-speed corners. Combined with 3D printed titanium suspension components and carbon ceramic racing brakes, the W1 is faster around a racetrack than any road-legal car McLaren has ever tested. If you had an unlimited budget, is this ultimate British hypercar the dream machine you'd park in your garage? That completes our countdown of 5 exotic monsters that prove world-class engineering, active aerodynamics, and racing pedigree still set the standard for automotive excellence. From Porsche's track perfection to McLaren's hypercar dominance, these vehicles operate on an entirely different level. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I bring you the latest car reveals, rankings, and automotive breakdowns every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.